Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Management refuses to include a statement in the rep letter asserting that all financial records were made available. They said, we cannot sign that. The auditor has otherwise obtained sufficient evidence, but the auditor says, I have the sufficient evidence. What should the auditor do? Now, what you can do is, if you don't know what the representation letter is, you could always ask AI to explain this topic real quick before you answer the question. Otherwise, try to answer the question. Here, I'm trying to confuse you here. I'm telling you the auditor obtained sufficient evidence, and you might look at sufficient evidence and you might say, that's good enough for me. I can issue an unmodified opinion. You can't. Although you think you obtained sufficient evidence, the management representation letter, the representation letter is a must. It's required. Therefore, the first easy question we could eliminate is A. We cannot issue an unqualified, unmodified, clean opinion. B. Issued a qualified opinion. Qualified opinion deals with accounting, with GAAP issues. The representation letter is a scope limitation. Therefore, it doesn't work here. So B is out because it deals with something else. And you need to know what qualified opinion is. C. Withdraw from the engagement or disclaim an opinion. Would you do that? Yes. So if you cannot get a rep letter, it's a scope limitation. You disclaim or you withdraw. You say, that's it. I can't issue an opinion. It could be, everything could be good, but I can't issue an opinion because I cannot obtain something that I must. It's required by the auditing standard for me to obtain. Therefore, between A, B, and C, I'm going to keep C. Issue an adverse opinion. That's too extreme. You cannot issue an adverse opinion because adverse opinion usually applies to GAAP departure, not evidence. This is like the rep letter is a form of evidence. In adverse opinion, basically you're saying something wrong. You don't know whether something is wrong or not. You just don't want to refuse to include a statement that all the financial records were made available. It doesn't mean there's something wrong with GAAP. You cannot make that conclusion. So issue an adverse opinion is a GAAP issue anyway. So therefore, C is the best answer choice. Now, if you don't like the explanation, you could ask the AI immediately to explain the correct and incorrect answer. If you like the question, you could ask AI to create a similar MCQ for you. What should you do? Whether you are an accounting student or a CPA exam candidate, invest in yourself. How so? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, podcast lessons, AI tools, video MCQs, video simulations to help you prepare. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Good luck, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.